Welcome back to The Index. I'm Megan, the editor for MongoDB's developer relations team. The year's coming to a close, but we are busier than ever. So let's talk about what you might have missed over the last week. For even more updates, just scroll down and click the link below to head to the written version of The Index. Let's start on Developer Center. Developer advocate Eric has dropped episode 6 in his series, this time on advanced search topics. Pavel wrote about how to leverage LangChain, OpenAI, and MongoDB to build an AI application. Jorge wrote a tutorial on implementing BLE sensors with MCU devkits. Luce has a new tutorial showing you how to build an app with CRUD and change tracking. Anaya, Tim, and Prakul worked together on a new tutorial about building AI applications with Microsoft Semantic Kernel and MongoDB Atlas Vector Search, and they also went live on YouTube, by the way. And Brian, a solutions architect here at MongoDB, is talking about semantic search, LangChain, and MongoDB. Head to the podcast and catch up on our latest episodes featuring Sega's Felix Baker, MongoDB's James Lin, Ben Perlmutter, and Kevin Smith, Nuri Halprin, and Dave Nielsen. Next up, visit YouTube to hone your Atlas search skills with 2 new videos from Eric. Join Luce as she shows you how to build a Ruby on Rails app that talks to MongoDB. Check out episode 2 from Jorge and his IoT series, where he talks about Bluetooth low energy concepts, and catch this recap of our virtual mug in India. While you're at it, click on the Live tab to view replays of our recent live streams, and also check out what we've got coming up. We've got lots of amazing content about data modeling with Jesse Hall and Mike Lin, a behind-the-scenes look at life at MongoDB, and so much more. Let's move on to the community. We've had a lot of wonderful mugs lately, mug meaning MongoDB user group. We met up in Rio de Janeiro for the first time, thanks to the hard work from mug leader and community creator Paulo. Hosted with support from Universidade Candido Mendes, I hope I said that right. The event focused on valuable insights into MongoDB and information security. Big thanks to speakers Lorenzo, Guilherme Montero, and Kizzy Benjamin for sharing their knowledge. Jake kicked off our inaugural event in Christchurch. The evening began with a warm welcome from MongoDB and Lumen. The agenda unfolded with talks highlighting Lumen's journey with MongoDB, featuring Max Ferguson's insight into the evolution of Lumen's technical architecture. Following a lively Q&A session, John Morgan delved into the world of Gen AI, exploring retrieval augmented generation and the streamlined architecture behind MongoDB's chat AI-based documentation tool. Caesar brought the community in Rome together for a mug. Mario presented the latest features of MongoDB version 7, and Alessandro followed up with an insightful talk on object IDs. It was an evening filled with learning and coming together, adding another chapter to our ongoing MongoDB community story in Rome. The Singapore MongoDB user group recently organized a meetup at AWS featuring talks on MongoDB Atlas Vector Search by Eugene Tan and local development tips with Zhe Han Tan using the Atlas CLI. The event also included 2 key talks: demystifying vector search with MongoDB Atlas and streamlining developer workflows with the Atlas CLI. Juan and the team in Australia organized a Gen AI-focused MongoDB meetup. The event featured talks on MongoDB and artificial intelligence. Matt Gotti shared his insights on incorporating AI into apps, from machine learning ops to Gen AI, while Arun Prasad introduced AI Whisperer, a no-code and low-code tool automating vector embedding pipelines for semantic search. Our community champions and creators have been very hard at work. Community champion Hans Peter kicked off a series on getting started with MongoDB and Quarkus. Community creator Rafael Ochoa shared an article on using a private endpoint to connect Firebase functions with MongoDB Atlas. Community creator Ricardo Mello wrote an article on the MongoDB Relational Migrator. Community creator Justin Jenkins authored an article on exploring MongoDB configurations. Community champion Nuri Halprin spoke at the past Data Community Summit on query patterns in the MongoDB query language. Remember, if you want more information on anything I shared today, you can just scroll down and click on the link in the description below to go view the written version of the index. If you made it this far, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification bell so that you never miss our new content. See you soon!